Mastering the skill of clearing a flooded mask is essential for any diver. Clearing a flooded mask can be challenging for many divers, particularly beginners. The sensation of water on the face and the need to control breathing can evoke anxiety and discomfort. This skill requires the diver to exhale through the nose to expel water while keeping the mask in place. Difficulty arises from the natural instinct to breathe through the nose, which must be overridden. And more importantly, clearing your mask in scuba diving is crucial for maintaining visibility and preventing panic. A clear mask allows you to see underwater, communicate with your dive buddy, and navigate safely. Mastering this skill ensures a comfortable and confident diving experience, enhancing overall safety and enjoyment. Step 1. Slowly fill your mask with water from the top. If you wear contact lenses, ensure your eyes are closed to prevent irritation or loss of the lenses. This step helps you become comfortable with the sensation of water entering the mask. Next, reseal the mask with the water inside. This action ensures the water is contained and prepares you for the clearing process. Hold the mask securely with both hands to keep it in place during the procedure. This firm grip will prevent the mask from slipping or shifting as you expel the water. Then, look up towards the surface. By doing so, you create an optimal angle for the water to be expelled from the mask. Exhale forcefully through your nose to push the water out. The exhaled air will force the water to exit the mask, leaving it clear and ready for use. If there is any remaining water in the mask, you can repeat the process. Practice these steps regularly to build confidence and proficiency in mask clearing, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable diving experience. Consistent practice in a controlled environment, guided by an instructor or your buddy, can help overcome these challenges, building confidence and ensuring a safer diving experience.